Good evening, friends. In the last video, I discussed about the rescue operations uh, operated by India. Today, I will discuss that point in English for the English students. So, let us start. At first, Operation Sindhu started in 2025. It is started because of Iran and Israel conflict. We saw Iran and Israel conflict between them. Then Operation Sindhu started in 2025 for rescue the Indian personnel. Then we go towards the next operation, Operation Indravati, operated in 2024. This is operated in view of Haiti country criminal gang. In the country of Haiti, criminal gang operations became, and the so many violence happened in the in the country Haiti. In view of that, all the Indian personnel we have rescued by the Operation Indravati in 2024. Next operation is Operation Ajay, operated in 2023. This operation started because of Hamas and Israel war. We saw Israel and Hamas war in 2023. In view of that, we rescued the personnel from Israel by the Operation Ajay. And next operation is Operation Kaveri, operated in 2023. This is in view of the home war, and we can say Grih Yudh in the country Sudan. Sudan is the country of the South Africa, and by the Operation Kaveri in 2023 we rescued the personnel from Sudan. Operation Ganga, next operation, operated in 2022, and this is this operation started in view of the when Russia attacked on the Ukraine in the last 2 to 3 years. You are saying Russia and Ukraine war is going on. So in view of that, we rescued the personnel from the Ukraine by the Operation Ganga, operated in 2022. Next operation is Operation Rahat, operated in 2015, and this is operated because of there is the conflict we saw in the country of Yemen. Yemen is located in the Asia near the Saudi Arab and the Oman. Their conflict became, in view of that we rescued the personnel from the country Yemen by the Operation Rahat in 2015.